as you were. In this episode, we're taking a look at a tactical shovel. The link is below. Question though, will it dig a hole?
There's gonna be a lot of roots, man.
Yes, it will. Thanks for what? But wait, there's more. You got your shovel. Handles. And another handle. And look at that bad boy. A knife, which can screw into a handle. But I want to assemble this. Now you got a weapon. You got a window breaker and fire starter. All in one, compact. All right.
Let me explain the different parts of the head.
So, even on the head, you got a knife end, an axe end, which works as an axe. You got your saw, which is pretty damn sharp. And then you even have your small wrenches, little hex head wrenches, in case you need to wrench something. And then you just got your typical spade, like any shovel would have, which is sharpened pretty good too. You could use it as a full shovel, or just use the handle, one handle. That's all it is. And you can kill somebody. Are you ready for a montage? So all in all, this is a very durable shovel, weapon, well, whatever you want to use it as, especially with the knife on the end of it too. I could definitely use it to beat things up. I mean, I was beating the hell out of some trees, sticks, roots, and it could take a beating. So I definitely recommend this for camping, outside survival. I recommend it. So thank you for watching. And till next time, you're dismissed.